There's only a handful of places where you can be just 40 minutes from Grand Rapids and living lakefront with over 2,000 square feet of space, all for $625,000. Let me introduce you to 8884 West Suwanee Trail here in Howard City. This property sits on a double lot with 169 feet of frontage on Indian Lake, an all-sports lake where you can boat, fish, and enjoy every season right out your back door. The open concept kitchen has a nice pantry and flows into the dining and living spaces with a stone fireplace. This four-season room is wrapped in windows, perfect for watching the sunrise over the lake. Upstairs, there are 2 large bedrooms and a half bath with plenty of space for guests. You can even fit both a queen and double bed in one room for family or company. Outside, the tiered deck brings you right down to the water. Whether it's coffee in the morning or nights by the fire after a day on the boat, this space is built for lake living. And I bet you weren't expecting this 1-bed, 1-bath living space on top of your extra deep 2-stall garage. If you're looking for a lakefront getaway close to Grand Rapids with space for everyone, this is it. Welcome to life on Indian Lake.